Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Gossip Life Fragments quest in Heartopia. So you'll need to go to the Fashion Reporter, which is located in this area near Flower Fields, I think. Select that. It's actually a pretty quest. You just need to talk to the Fashion Reporter, select Leave It to Me, and then you'll need to talk again to the Fashion Reporter. And you can select whichever one. I chose Living Alone because I don't really interact with anyone in this game that much. And that's pretty much how you can complete it. I don't know what I was supposed to see before because I was lagging, so the chat bubble was blank. Um, but yeah, sometimes you get the rewards in the next day, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!